Alright guys, let me quickly show you how you can add a video on your YouTube channel. If you're having videos or a video on your website that you don't want your visitors to have access to, or you just want to add a video on your channel, so this is how you can do it. So you want to go to your channel, to your YouTube channel. Let's go over to my, so this is my YouTube channel here. So you want to go right here, you want to click on this area here. So you want to go to YouTube Studio. So when you click on YouTube Studio, it's going to take you to where all your videos are situated. So there you are going to see all your videos. So here when you scroll down, you are going to see go to videos. So here you want to click go to videos. There you are going to see all your videos and you'll be able to edit them also. So these are all my videos here. So let's say I want to add this one right here. So you want to click on this area here. You want to see the details here. So you want to scroll down here. You want to go to on this box here. You want to click on the box. So here is where you can private this video here. You can private it or unlist it. So if you private it, only you are going to be seeing the video. So it's not going to be published. It's not going to be public. So here unlist, if you want to unlist it, so it's going to hide from your visitors. So when somebody comes to your channel, so it's going to be hidden from your channel's video. So the video is going to be hidden from your channel. So if you tick unlisted, it's going to unlist it from the video that you have on your channel. So right there. So let's say I want to private it, I can just tick on this area here. If not, I can just untick it. Or if you like, you can unlist. So when you finish, you are going to click done. So you want to click save here. So you want to show up at the top here, you want to click save and it's going to save it and you are ready to go. So now the video has been hidden, the video has been private and nobody can see the video on your channel. So if someone go to your channel, they're not going to see the video anymore. So that's how you add a video on your channel. So guys, that's all I have for you on this video. If you guys have any question, have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.